This is demonstration of different hi-hats performed in one riff, and we can achieve much groovier sound when we combine these two techniques. Here's only percussion, so we start with the kick. So there's two kick. After them there's left hand hi-hat and snare. Yeah. And then on our way back there's one more left hand hi-hat. Again. Then the second part of the bar, we start with a one kick, and after it we are playing slap hi-hat. Yeah, and after slap hi-hat there's goes left hand hi-hat. So let's try to play three of them. Yeah, after there goes snare. And after snare we go back onto slap hi-hat and then left hand hi-hat. Here again it's very important to keep your hand in position. Don't let it fly around. Everything should be in one place. Let's try to play the whole riff in a slow tempo. And here it's really interesting. You can speed up tempo and the riff start to sound much more groovier and cooler.